Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make a YouTube channel in your phone. So this method will both work in same Android and iOS. So don't worry if you are iOS, just watch the same tutorial and follow my directions. So at first you want a Google account in which you will make the Google account, YouTube channel. I had already uploaded a video on how to make a Google account. If you don't know how to make one, just go and watch that. You will understand. So I'm gonna speed up a bit.
Need help, I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
So now our account is made here. After we made our account, we can change the profile picture. So if we change the profile picture once, it will be our channel's logo. So anyways, now open your YouTube app. I'll make a video on how to make a logo and banner related to the channel's topic. So just stay tuned and make sure to subscribe and enable the bell notification so that you get notified as I upload a new video. So yeah, now our YouTube app is loaded. Click on the profile icon. Click on your profile icon. Then you can see a small arrow there. Click on it, and it will show a pop-up menu like this called accounts. You just gotta wait until it loads. So after it loads, you should choose the account that you made now. After you choose that, again go to your profile icon, and after you click on that, you can see a option called your channel. Click in it. You can see an option called your channel right there. Just click in it. After you click on that, you can see after you click on that, you can see a menu, a screen like this. Here also you can change your from here also you can change your profile icon. I'm not going to do that as this is just an example. So you can rename your channel if you want, and after all the setting is done, you can just click on create your channel, and that's it. Your channel is done here. So that's it for today. Hope you'll enjoy today's video. It's all like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks.